Dear student, today discuss about the transmission media. Now, first talk about transmission media and physical layer. Suppose sender want to send the information to receiver. So physical layer transmit data with the help of cable or air to the receiver. So transmission media are divided into two categories. First, guided wired and unguided means wireless. Now, guided wired are also categorized in three parts: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Now, unguided wireless like the free space. So, transmission media can be defined as a physical path between transmitter and receiver in a data transmission system, and it may be classified into two types shown in the field: guided and unguided. In guided transmission media, transmission capacity depend critically on the medium, the length, and whether the medium is point-to-point or multi-point. For example, LAN. Example are coaxial cable, twisted pair, and optical fiber, etc. And unguided provided means for transmitting electromagnetic signal but do not guide them. Example, wireless transmission. So guided media, which are those that provide a conduit form and device to another, include twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fire optics cable, etc. So, in this lecture, we will discuss about twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optics cable. So, in twisted pair cable, like that, it is covered by plastic jacket. It also known as insulator and a copper coat. It is known as a conductor. It is also divided into two categories: UTP, unshielded twisted pair, and shielded twisted pair. In all, in twisted pair, it is covered by the plastic cover, and shielded twisted pair, it also covered in three layer like a metal shield like that. So in twisted pair technology, two copper wire are strung between 2 points. The two wires are typically twisted together in helix reduced interface between two conductors shown in the figure. Now twisting decreases the crosstalk interface between adjacent pair to cable. Typically a number of pair are bundled together into cable by wrapping them, thus protecting sealed. Now can carry both analog and digital signal. Actually, they carry only analog signal. However, the analog signal can very closely respond to the square waves representing things and carry digital data. So data rate several megabit per second common. Now next category is unshielded twisted pair cable like that. Unshielded twisted pair used in telephone. So data rate 0.1 megabit per second used in telephone. Second category of unshielded twisted pair originally used in T-line. Data rate is equal to 2 megabit per second, T1 lines used. Now improved C82 used in LANs. Data rate is 10 megabit second used for local area network, and C83 used for token ring network. Data rate is 20 megabit per second used in LAN. Cable wire normally 24 AWG with jacket and outer sheath. So 100 megabit per second used in LAN. An extension of category 5 that includes extra feature to minimize the crosstalk and electromagnetic interface. There the data is equal to 125 megabit per second and used in local area network. Now, a new category with matched component coming from the same manufacturer, the cable must be tested in 200 megabit per second data rate, and data rate is 200 megabit per second. So it is also used in the local area network. and sometimes called SSTP shielded screen twisted pair. Each pair is individually wrapped in the helix metallic foil, followed by the metallic foil shield and addition to the outside sheath. So seal decreases the effect of the crosstalk and increase the data rate. The data rate like that 600 megabit per second used for the lab. A sub UTP connector like that RJ45 female and RJ45 male shown in the figure. Now next transmission media is the coaxial cable. The coaxial cable like that shown in the figure. First, a inner conductor aluminum or copper is known as inductor, and it is covered by outer conductor shields, and also outer conductor is covered by the net of the wire, and these are separated by insulator, and total wire is covered by plastic cover. It is known as jacket. So with coax, the medium consists a copper core surrounded by the insulating material and braided outer conductor as shown in figure. The term base the indicates digital transmission and opposed to broadband analog. Physical connection consists of metal pin touching the copper core. There are two common ways to connect the coaxial cable. First, with vampire tape, a metal pin inserted into the copper core, a special tool, drill a hole into the cable, removing a small section of the insulation. And the special connector is the screw into the hole. The tape makes the connect with the copper. Now next, with a T-junction, also used for the connecting the wire. So broadband coaxial cable, the term broadband refer to analog transmission over the coaxial cable. Now, however, that the telephone POP use the broadband refer to any channel wider than 4 kilohertz the technology, typically bandwidth 300 megahertz and operated distance up to 100 kilometers. So typical categorize the coaxial cable like the RZ59, impedance 75 ohm and used for cable TV. Second category is of coaxial cable RZ58, impedance equal to 50 ohm, thin Ethernet, and next RZ11, impedance is 50 ohm and thick Ethernet. Now next, fiber optics cable. Fiber optics cable is work as a fiber optics technology that medium consists of hair width strand of silicon or glass, and the signal consists of pulses of light. For instance, a pulse of light means a lack of the pulse means zero. It has the cylinder shape that consists of three concentric sections, the core, cladding, and jacket shown in the figure. This is the core, this is cladding, and is covered by with the help of jacket. If sender want to send the data, that data is reflect from one source to receiver in form of optical wave form. So it is travel in the form of optics. So propagation mode like that mode in divided into two forms. First multi-mode and single mode. Multi-mode also divided into two step index and guided index. So different type of fiber type shown in the table. Type 50/125 core equal to 5 micro and cladding is equal to 125 micromillimeter and multi-mode graded index. Similarly, second type of the fiber optics 62.5/125 core equal to 62.5 micromillimeter and the cladding equal to 125 mode like that multi-mode and graded index. Similarly, third category is 100/125 and fourth category 7/125. 100/25 like multi-mode and graded index, while 7/125 like single mode. And fiber construction like that of cladding is the inner part. It is made by the glass or plastic core and it is covered by plastic buffer. So 2-point enclaver the strength and it also covered with the help of outer jacket. This is the total fiber construction of the now here the compare among the guided media like twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical is very important. And twisted pair cable transmission of signal takes place in the electrical form or the metallic conductor, while in the coaxial cable, transmission of signal takes place in the electrical form over the inner conductor on the cable, and optical fiber signal transmission takes place in optical form over a glass fiber. Now next, twisted pair, the property of twisted pair cable like that noisy immunity is low and there are more distortion. Coaxial cable, higher noisy immunity than with respect to twisted pair cable due to the presence of shielding conductor, while the optical highest noisy immunity as the light rays the unaffected by the electrical noise. Now, third property of the twisted pair cable like that affect due to external magnetic field, while coaxial cable less affected due to the external magnetic field and optical fiber not affected by the external magnetic field. Now, the fourth property of twisted pair cable, cheap, it is the cheapest, and coaxial cable metallurgy is expensive and optical fiber more expensive with respect to twisted pair and coaxial cable. Now, twisted pair cable can support low data rate, while coaxial cable metallurgy high data rate and very high data rate for used optical fiber. And next, bandwidth and installation is in the twisted pair cable. In coaxial cable, methodology high bandwidth and installation is the fairly easy, while optical fiber very high bandwidth and installation is the difficult. Now next category of transmission media is unguided media. Like that, we can say unguided media is a wireless media. In unguided media, transport electromagnetic wave without using the physical conductor. This type of communication is often referred to a wireless communication. We categorize unguided media like radio wave, microwave, infrared. And electromagnetic spectrum for wireless communication equal to divided in like that 3 kilohertz radio wave and microwave range from 3 kilohertz to 300 kilohertz, and infrared range 300 gigahertz to 400 terahertz. Now light wave equal to 400 terahertz to 900 terahertz. So wireless transmission are divided into three categories: radio wave and microwave and infrared. Radio wave are used to multicast communication such as radio and television and paging system. They can penetrate through walls, highly regulated, use omnidirectional antennas, etc. The omnidirectional antenna like that. Similarly, microwave are used to unicast communications such as cellular telephones, satellite networks, and wireless local area networks. And higher frequency ranges cannot be penetrate walls, use directional antennas, point-to-point lines, and site communications. The unidirectional antennas like that, this antenna and horn antenna shown in the figure. And this antenna like that as a parabola, and all rays are transmit with the help of us. And next, infrared signal can be used for the short range communication, the close area using line of sight propagation. So wireless channel are subject to lot of more error than guided media channels. So infrared in inference of one cause for error can be communicated with the high signal to noise ratio. The higher the signal to noise ratio, less capacity is available for transmission due to the broadband nature of the channel, and channel also subject to fading and no coverage force. Thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss about switching technology.